Hi friends, I am Dipankar. Welcome to my channel Learning Point. In this tutorial video, we will learn text highlight color, font color and clear all formatting. So without any further delay, let's start. Alright, welcome back. So first of all, we will learn how to highlight the text color. So first you have to select the text you want to highlight with text color. Then under Home tab, go to Text Highlight Color drop down key. Then select color. Done. To remove this color, just go to under Home tab, Text Highlight Color drop down key, and choose No Color and select the highlighted text to remove it. That's it. Next, we will learn how to change font color. To do so, first select text you want to color, then under Home tab, click on Font Color drop down button. Then choose any color you want to apply. If you want more color, then click on More Colors. Then choose any color from here. Then go to Custom and up down the intensity of the color. Then click on OK. You are done. The font color has been changed. To remove it, just select this text. Under Home tab, click on Font Color drop down key. Then choose Automatic. Also, you can apply gradient color on text. Just select text. Under Home tab, go to Font Color drop down key. Then go to Gradient. You can choose here Gradient Variation or go to More Gradients. A new panel will open there. Just select the option Gradient Fill. Then go to Gradient Stops. Here are different stop. Just select Stop and choose Color. Select stop one by one and change the color of the stop. You can add or delete stop. To add, just click on Add Gradient Stop. See here, a new stoppage has been added. Select the stop and change color according to your choice. Also, you can delete color. Just select stop and click on Delete Gradient Stop. Then choose type of gradient. There are 4 types: linear, radial, rectangular, path. I choose linear here. Then choose direction. There are so many directions. Then choose angle if you want to change the angle, and close panel. See here the result. Next, we will learn about Clear All Formatting option. This is used to clear all types of format of the text. Clear formatting options is used on when you copy some text from internet or other sources or made by yourself. This option can change all kinds of formatting to normal. So to do this, I have formatted this text and I want to clear this format using these options. So first I am selecting the text. Then under Home tab, click on Clear All Formatting. See the result. Formatting has gone. Hope you enjoy this class. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. and don't forget to like, comment and share. See you in next class. Thank you.